Crafters, I'm coming in with a new tutorial for you today, and this is using the KSCraft Nintendo Game Boy Shaker die, and it is so stinking cute. Look at how precious these are. I just want to let you know that I also used their lip sequins as well as their heart sequins from their store, and I really love how these turned out. All I did was add in a couple extra sequins that I have in my stash and some seed beads, and I think it just came out so super precious. Anyway, I also used a photo play paper collection that was vacation themed, and I just love the prints on it, and that's why I used it. They're so bright and bubbly. But anyway, let me give you the measurements really quick. So this die is 3.5 inches long by 2 3/8, and I think they're super adorable, and I do believe that they sell foam tape in their store as well. I will double check on that. If they do, I'll have that link down below for you as well. But for mine, I used 1/8 inch foam tape, and I just went all the way around, but you'll see that in the tutorial in just a minute. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi guys, I am coming in today with a new tutorial on some of the KSCraft dies that I'm going to be doing, but this is also some embellishments I'm making for my friend's birthday. And anyway, I just wanted to share with you too, I'm probably going to be using some of these sentiments, and also most likely, and I'm not most likely, I am using the KSCraft heart sequins along with the little lips. Aren't they so cute? So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. But first I'm going to cut out all my pieces so we know what we're going to need here to get this put together. Hi guys, before we get started, I wanted to share with you the pieces that I cut out and how many of them I cut out first. So let's start off with the background. I did one background piece, I did one acetate piece, and then what I did was I cut another one. So basically 3. This one is basically going to be glued to the back of this. That way, since I'm turning this into a shaker, my button pieces won't fall through, okay? So then I can just go ahead and glue them right on top, and there will be no issues. Now, for this piece, I went ahead and I just cut it one time, okay? And then for this one, which is actually my little window cover or my window frame, I just went ahead and cut that out one time as well, and as well as my buttons. Now, I have a big old pile over here. I don't know if you can kind of see here. I did a bunch of different colors because I don't really know what I'm going to use. So I don't want to have to drag all the little pieces and accidentally lose any. That's another reason why I cut it out several times too, is in case I lose some of the pieces while I'm crafting, because I've done that numerous times. So I hope that some of these tips help out. And again, if you're going to use foam paper, you're going to want to cut this out about 3 times. Once in your pattern paper and then 2 in your foam paper if it's 1/8 inch. That way you'll have some height to add in plenty of little shaker pieces. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I had so much fun creating these, and if you just created one along with me, I hope y'all had fun too. I hope that the instructions were pretty easy for you. You know, shaker dies are really fun to make, and so definitely these are cute to give away. So don't forget to visit KSCraft Lover Store. They also have an Amazon shop too. If those are available in their Amazon store, I will put those down below so you can get faster shipping. So I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.